dividing mixed numbers. And I will just give you the basic gist of this. To divide mixed numbers, comma, make the mixed number improper. And divide like normal. Which means this: if you have 3 1/2 divided by 1 and, I don't know, 1/3. Okay, simply put, you just change those to improper. How do we make mixed numbers improper? We've done that before, have we not? 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 1 is 7/2. What is 1 1/3 improper? Jenna? 4/3. Now we're still not done, because how do we divide by fractions? Drew Norquist?
Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction.
Nicely done. Yeah, you're going to flip and multiply that second fraction. Multiply the first one by the second fraction flipped over. And when you do that, you end up with 21/8. Can I stop at 21/8? No, I got to change that to a mixed number. How many times does 8 go into 21? 2, what's left over is 5. 2 5/8. And these can be whole numbers too. Like if you have 5 1/2 cookies, and you have to split that up among 3 people, how much should everybody get? You have to do the same way. Just make 3 as an improper fraction is 3/1. 5/2 is what? 11/2? 11/2 divided by 3/1 is the same as 11/2 times 1/3, which happens to be 11/6, and 1 and 5/6 cookies. However you cut 5/6 of a cookie. We could do pizzas, 5 1/2 pizzas cut up 3 ways is 1 and 5/6 pizzas. Difficult? Difficile? How about this? I'll give you one to try here. 1/3. Oh. Good. Huh. Yes. How about this? 2 1/2 divided by 1 2/3. 2 1/2 divided by what? 1 2/3. How many 1 2/3 can you get out of 2 1/2? Divided by 1 2/3. Got an answer yet? Elijah says
1 1/2.
1 1/2. Let's see if it works out. You should have changed to 5/2. This should have changed to 5/3. You need to flip and multiply by the second one, so it's 5/2 times 3/5. You end up with 15/10. You reduce that, it is what? 3/2, and 3/2 is 1 and 1/2. Bam.